Hi, I'm Josh from Nucar, and it's a great day for another Did You Know? Today, we're looking at this 21 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This one is the Laredo package. Today, I wanted to highlight another key fob. You can unlock it, lock it, you can start it, and you can open the back. The power lift gate, normally your button would be up here. They went ahead, put it down here, showing you the passive entry on these Jeeps, which is you put your hand inside, boom, that pops open, push this button, you're locking it. It will not let you lock the key inside. So I'm gonna drop this in here. Like before, I go to hit the lock button, nothing will happen. It will not let me lock it. As soon as I take that key out, boom, no problem. If you like tow package, power tailgate, power seats, heated seats, navigation, and sunroof, then you should definitely come on in and find out why everyone loves a new car.